Are you suffering with symptoms related to a bulging, herniated, or degenerated disc? I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart, and you're going to want to watch this video.
Symptoms often include back or neck pain, radiating pain or numbness into the arms, legs, hands, or feet, sciatica, weakness of the upper or lower extremities, and difficulty bending or moving. We have the natural non-surgical solution for you. Many people have been told that injections, drugs, or surgery are the only solutions available, but that's no longer the case. Fortunately, laser disc decompression is a safe, natural, and effective way to help restore the integrity of your discs without drugs or surgery. With laser disc decompression, we have a specialized table that creates negative pressure in the discs, enabling them to improve their ability to reinflate with fluid and nutrients from the spinal bones above and below them. This helps restore the pumping mechanism of the discs so they can repair and function properly. This negative pressure during decompression helps to pull bulges and herniations back in towards the center. During or immediately after the decompression session, we use a powerful, safe, and effective Class 4 laser to stimulate damaged tissue to heal. The Class 4 laser also reduces inflammation, stimulates nerve regeneration, and allows for a more complete healing of the discs and surrounding tissues. Fact: discs do not have their own blood supply, so they get their water and nutrients from the bones above and below those discs. Fact: only a small percentage of spinal fusions are successful long-term. Fact: up to 75% of all spinal surgeries do not alleviate pain long-term. Fact: according to Medicare, 68% of spinal surgeries will result in a second or third surgery. Fact: 70% of spinal surgeries were determined to be unnecessary according to Medicare. Don't wait until surgery is the only option. Try non-surgical laser disc decompression first. Call today to set up a consultation to see if laser disc decompression is right for you. 954-340-7545